In a bombshell video, an influencer called Ethan Andrew, who is underage, claims that James Charles was sending images to him, and he asked him to stop many times. He also claims that he told James Charles that he was underage, but James persisted. Is there any truth to these claims? Find out right now on IO. What is gravy, fam? This is InformOverload. We do the news, we spill the tea, we tell you about what's trending on the internet. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Subscribe for a different take on the news and follow the IO team on social media. Alright, let's get into this video because we got a lot to talk about today. Ethan Andrew is a TikTok star with over 300,000 followers on TikTok. He is underage and his age is verifiable on the internet. Ethan posted a video to his YouTube channel making some pretty intense claims about James Charles, alleging that James deserves to be in prison. The video was actually deleted by YouTube because it contained the explicit screenshots, and then it was re-uploaded without the screenshots. I will leave a link for you guys down in the comments so you can watch it for yourselves. He pinned this comment at the top of the video, which could serve as proof that he is seeking legal action. For legal reasons, not all receipts could be in this video, but in the next couple days the truth will be out all the way. Ethan also claimed in an Instagram story that he is getting law enforcement and lawyers involved. So, Ethan claims that during one of James's Instagram live sessions, he and a friend were posting random emojis, kind of like trolling it, I guess. He then DM'd James Charles on Instagram. Then James and him started exchanging messages. James was also allegedly sending explicit images. Ethan claims he asked James to stop repeatedly, but he wanted to be friends with James, so he continued talking to him. Here's a screenshot of the DM conversations that Ethan shared in his video. Note that Ethan blocked James Charles. The image is blurry because it was a screenshot of the video. The messages read, "So I'd rather get them done back to back. Just fly out tomorrow morning, I'll get your flight. Okay, what's your snap? Added you. Again. OMFG me? Again? Like dude, WTF LMAO. I would also like you to note that it appears that Ethan has deleted all his messages in this conversation, which is a bit of an issue for me. Yes, he is underage, but I don't like how I can't read what messages Ethan was sending to James. James sends a couple of photos. James says, "Oh, okay, damn. You couldn't come for even like 2 days? I'm getting surgery on Wednesday. Could be a cute little 2-day trip." Then James sends 4 videos in a row, and then writes, "Yeah, but it's because I can't take off work for a month." So clearly there is a full-on conversation happening between Ethan and James, yet we can only actually see half of the conversation because Ethan's messages to James are not included in these screenshots. At some point in the conversation, Ethan claims that he told James he was 14, which he later claimed occurred in a phone call or a FaceTime, at which point James asked to move the conversation to Snapchat because it would make him more comfortable. That message exchange is not shown in these messages. James does ask for his Snapchat, but he doesn't say, "Let's move this combo to Snap because it would make me more comfortable," which would have been very sketchy of James to say the least, because you know, you can tell when someone screenshots you on Snapchat. Based on the screenshots Ethan Andrew has shared, a lot of what he is claiming about James just isn't shown. There's no evidence James asked his age, there's no evidence that Ethan told him to stop. In fact, there is no evidence of Ethan saying anything to James Charles whatsoever. All of his responses are deleted. What matters here is Ethan was uncomfortable about the situation. He says he wanted to be friends with James. Sure, I'm guessing a lot of smaller influencers want to be friends with James because you make a TikTok with James and then all of a sudden your career is made. He is young, so he doesn't know any better. James should have done the work, at the very least Googled him if he didn't know his age. I feel like he's in this position where he needs to be very careful about who he talks to online, because there have been times in the past where people have queerbaited him and talked him into, I guess, sending him images or having a conversation, and then those people go on social media and try to expose James. So I feel like if you are gonna, send a little DM here and there, you should be very careful. Ethan has since responded to the criticism and lack of proof in Instagram stories. The videos are convincing. This is someone who was clearly hurt by James's actions, regardless of whether or not James knew his age or not. If that can be proven, then James absolutely needs to be held accountable for his actions. At this time, until I see more proof, I have to stay neutral about this. Throwing career-ending accusations someone's way is not something that I am going to entertain. Something about Ethan initiating the conversation, then deleting all of his messages to James, then posting this story to YouTube while also not including the proof that he told James his age just doesn't sit right with me. If this is true, then he absolutely has to go to the police and file a report. And if there is a legal case pending, he actually can't go and share all this stuff on the internet the way he's been doing. I'm not denying that these allegations about James couldn't be true. I'm just gonna need to see more evidence to convince me, and you should probably need more evidence as well. Would James really do something as stupid as harass an underage TikTok star when he had just had his name cleared this year? Tell me your thoughts on this one down in the comments, but because of the nature of this video, I won't be responding to comments on this one. That's it for me, and thanks for watching IO.